Paris, the city of lights. A place where dreams are painted in gold, where history whispers through its streets. But beyond the postcards, another Paris lives. A city where many work tirelessly, far from family, searching for belonging, for hope. And the heart of Paris, a small church opens its doors, welcoming the weary, feeding the hungry, restoring faith.
Kalakasan, kung hindi dahil po sa inyong Panginoon.
Nagsimula ang gawain ito sa pamagitan ng una, pananaw, vision, and a calling. At nagsimula ito exactly doon sa maliit na grupo sa isang parke kung saan sinama ko na aking asawa. At sa biyaya ng Panginoon, the same people who started with us sa grupo na yan ay hanggang ngayon kasama po natin sila. No? So, it started with a calling, a burden. Burden and our prayer is that to reach out our own community. We call them our Jerusalem, our own people who speak our own language. And they are the main group of people that we want to reach out. And secondly, are those who are born here pero hindi nakakapagsalita na ng diretso ng ating lingwahe. We call them our Judea. Although we can look at them in their face and we can determine that they are, and we can say that they are Filipino by origin, but we cannot deny the fact that they are already a third culture. And thirdly, we are praying for our Samaria. Those people that are baga may brand, no? Those people na tinatawag nating culturally iba sa atin, pero yung iba sa kanila ay mga katrabaho natin. So we need to reach them out also. For example, meron po tayong mga kasama ngayon na from Sri Lanka, and we praise the Lord. Meron din po tayong kasama na from ang kanyang origin ay Japan at Italia, at yun po ay sa biyaya ng Panginoon. At muli, ito pong inyong misyonaryo, the Corsiga family, with my wife Gladys and Eunice, your co-worker and laborer in the city of Paris, France.